Afternoon, everyone. We're here in my garden this afternoon because I finally had enough of my pallets. We're going to save some money and we're going to make our own gate. Well, I'm going to attempt to make my own gate using these, because my dog is a nightmare and he can open my gate up there no matter what I do. A little bit of DIY, a little bit of budget saving, and I'm going to keep posted how I get on, and I will let you know if I actually can make this gate work. So I'm going to start by cutting these pallets up and decide on the height of the gate, which I haven't got around to yet. But if we do the wood first, we'll go from there. On this gorgeous day, so it was either the choice between emptying my washing machine because it's blocked and full of water, or playing with pallets. I've opted for playing with pallets as we're lovely in this nice weather outside. Look at it. Stunning. So guys, I'll see you later. Hopefully with some form of gate. Take care. Guys, this is my wood for my gate that is all nicely cut. I have got some more, don't worry. I just wanted to share with you, I've just popped into Right Price up the road with DIY, guys. Seriously, I've just got this for like 30. Get your head out the way, dog. Tyson, move. Right, start that again. I've just got this for like 30 quid. So this is the frame, hinges, bolt and some nails, obviously. So you're looking at, and obviously my time, you're looking at, to do this gate is about 30 quid. With obviously using recycling the pallets and everything. Or you can go and buy a gate for over £100 and it might not even fit. So guys, I'm going to get back to this gate and I'll let you know how I'm getting on. And if you can tell, it's not really straight, is it? Well, we'll sort that out. But we'll get on and see how we get. Well, see if I get there. I'll catch you later, guys. So guys, I'm going to show you what I actually managed to get done today. It's not completely finished. I'm going to finish it up tomorrow. Yes, my dogs are fighting in the background. Yeah, it's brilliant. Anyway, yeah, I've put the hinges in the wrong place. They need to be set back further. It's just a tiny bit of wood that needs to come off because I forgot I put a bit of stone. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to spin you around and show you what I managed to actually get done today. So get away, Tyson. So as you can see, yeah, I put the hinges on the front by saying I forgot they need to be more set back here. And it actually meets really well. I've also now got to find a new place for my bin. So, but yeah, apart from that, if I just quickly show you, I won't be gentle, I haven't actually put the hinges in fully, but for a first time attempt, I don't think it's that bad. The dog's not going to get through, so hopefully a lot more quieter in my garden. So that is my DIY budget saving idea today. Yeah, as I said, we're going to finish it off tomorrow, just tidy it up a little bit, but I'm quite happy with it. Have a great evening, guys, and if you want, pop back later, see if there's anything else that could be useful for you. Take care, bye.